Welcome back, children. Let's continue the next stanza of this poem, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. In the last stanza, we have discussed that finally the custard that he gobbled, a parrot gobbled him every bit. It means without leaving a trace of him. He fought bravely with the parrot and he swallowed him. And that was the act of his bravery. When everyone fled from the scene, that they ran away, escaped only the custard who was considered as a meek or coward by them. Now he bravely fought with him. So next stanza, Belinda embraced him. Embraced means here that to greet him with the joy or to hug him. Belinda embraced him, Mustard licked him. See now, there was a joy everywhere. All they enjoyed the moment that the house, there was a joy over the house. Belinda, what she did, that she embraced, it means to greet him, to hug him, to express her gratitude for being saved her life or their life, including her pets. So that is why she embraced him or she hugged him. Belinda embraced him, hugged him, Mustard licked him. Mustard means who is this Mustard? It means dog. Mustard licked. That dog licked. And licking, this is what the indication or the way to express the love for someone, for anyone. That this is the way of a dog to show his love by licking or to lick. Mustard licked him, showed his love. No one mourned for his pirate victim, and no one mourned, M-O-U-R-N-E-D. Mourn means lamented or to show grief over the death of someone. No one cared about the death of the pirate, lamented. So everyone celebrated the moment or the victory of the custard over the pirate, and there was no grief at all. No one has lamented or grieved, mourned for his pirate's victim. It means victim means one who suffers, because finally pirates that he got killed by the custard, swallowed, but no one mourned the death of the pirate. Everyone enjoyed or celebrated the happiness. Ink and blink. Ink means a little black kitten and blink means a grey mouse. What they did in glee. Glee means joy, happiness. Did gyrate. Gyrate means took round. In glee, in happiness, ink and blink, they started dancing around the dragon, and that is out of happiness that they started dancing. In glee. Glee means happiness. And gyrate means here, gyrate means taking the round here, or took round around him. Whom? The dragon. Ink and blink. First of all, the dog, Belinda, she embraced her out of happiness. Next, Mustard licked him. Then ink and blink in glee did gyrate. It means took round, that they started dancing around the dragon that ate the pirate. So this is what. Now the next stanza. But presently up spoke little dog Mustard. But finally what happened? Now it became clear. It was clear that who is brave and who is a coward. It was clear now because of this incident, that who was a brave and who was a coward or the meek one. But once again Mustard, he started boasting, or he started making the excuses. What did he say, the Mustard? But presently up spoke little dog Mustard. I would have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. Flustered means got nervous. What did he say, Mustard? Giving the excuses or excuse, Mustard said that he boasted that he would have been twice as brave as Custard. Would have been twice as brave as Custard if he had not got nervous in this case, because he had got nervous, so that is why that he could not fight. But here the situation would have been different if I had not been what? If I had not got nervous. Who said? Mustard said. Once again he boasted. He made excuse. Now this was about Mustard. Then next. And up spoke Ink and up spoke Blink. And after Mustard, once again Ink and Blink that they spoke, that they boasted. What did they say? That they spoke? We would have been 3 times as brave, we think. Mustard said that he would have been twice as brave as Custard. But here Ink and Blink, Black Kitten and Mouse, they said, they spoke that we would have been 3 times as brave as Custard. But we think, and Custard's, we think if you could not have this kind of the problem or something, so definitely we could have been thrice as brave as Custard. We would have been 3 times as brave, we think. And Custard said, but the little Custard said, as per his nature, as per his behavior, he said that Custard, I quite agree. What did he say, the Custard? Yes, I quite agree that you people are brave. You are braver than me. Who said? The Custard said that you people are, I am completely agree that you people are really brave. That everybody is braver than me. And finally the Custard said, yes, I am agree that everybody, Ink, Blink, Mustard, Belinda, everyone is braver than me. Finally he said, he accepted. Who? The Custard. And we know that actually that who is brave and who is a coward or a meek one. Right? When the actual problem comes or the dilemma comes, that time everyone fled. Except the dragon, except the Custard. And he fought bravely with the pirate and he gobbled him, killed him. Right? So now in this way, finally as per their nature, Mustard, Blink, Ink, everyone that they boasted, started admiring themselves. Right? And the Custard also that he accepted, yes, everyone is braver than me. So in this way here, we have seen the 2 stanzas. Now only last 2 stanzas are left that we will discuss or learn in the next video module. Thank you.